Elders Corner.
Hey my people, and welcome to Elders Corner TV News. And I'm me, Elder 101, want to talk the news today. Before we go into the news, make I give you now the two they call news headlamp. Step by step, where they involve for Canadian skill workers program. Now, make we go into the news properly. Plenty people don't they ask us questions. They send us mail for Elders Corner. Say, whenever they go Facebook, they come they see some posts for Facebook, come they talk say, work Sarah for Canada. See, make we help them check whether this story, where they read for Facebook, whether it's correct. In fact, last week, one can send us forward one email where they forward to them, talk say they don't nominate them for Canada program. Meanwhile, he don't know anything about Canada program. Now he be say scam don't enter the matter. Now he make us come say, make we quick tell people how the matter be, because we don't want make people lose money, can't give fraudsters. Now we don't come do research about this Canada matter. We don't do research, make I give you now the things where we find out. In fact, our news crew get to enter inside Canada, come find out everything. And what will they tell you for here? Now it be authentic information. And this news where will they talk? Now September 2019, now will they talk. You get why I talk the date. Because you get some things where they change for the procedure. Make you not be say 10 months time you come plan. Some things don't change. You can say, this person don't like to us. Now make me talk the date. Now make we go into the matter properly. You get many ways where you fit take come inside Canada, waiting our research bring out. You fit do visa for apply for visa for tourism, visiting, plenty other things. Even say if they get for Canada experience class, they get for federal skill trade program and the other ones. But the one we want to talk today now, federal skill workers program, where they call express entry. This express entry where people they talk, they mention up and down. Express entry now the database system when Canada government they take the manage application of people where they apply for permanent residency. Now be this express entry. But how this thing they work? Number one, the procedure is long, but to go break them down, make una go understand them. Number one, you will first check whether you are eligible to do express entry program, to do the federal skill workers program. Now, how you want to know say you're eligible? Number one thing where you go first know be say you suppose don't go school, don't graduate from school, either from College of Education, Polytechnic or university. Once you see say you don't graduate, you get certificate or you get your statement of result for hand, now be say you don't enter inside Canada be that. Number two, you go make sure say you get work experience, not less than 1 year. Now be the minimum. If you get 20 years work experience, be good well. But the minimum you go get now 1 year work experience since the last past 3 to 5 years. You must get 1 year unbroken work experience. So if you get only 6 months work experience, you don't qualify. It must be 1 year. If you know say these two things now, you don't get them. You get one other thing you need to do. You get one language ability test where you need to write and English. And the English where they approve, the English they call them IELTS, International English Language Testing System. For Africa and Nigeria especially, the people where they are authorized to administer the test now British Council and IDP. Now these two people they run am for most countries for Africa. So the exam are the same. If na British Council you use or na IDP you use, now the same exam there be. So you go write the exam. Later I will give you now the detail of all these things now where I don't talk. But this one now be the major thing where you need to know whether you're eligible or not. Number one, you suppose don't graduate from school. Number two, you must get not less than, that is a minimum of 1 year work experience. And number three, you go do that English test. No fear the test. It no hard reach Nigerian JAMB, where they take the entire university. Now, make we continue. Make I just talk small about the work experience. The work experience, so they say it must be unbroken 1 year. So not be say you get 3 months, you can't come out for the job, you no get job again, you can't go get another one inside the 1 year, or you can't do 6 months for house, you don't get another one 3 months again. At the end of the day, say this 1 year I don't work for 6 months, you no qualify. So, and again, the work experience, you go prove say you really get this work experience. Make sure say your company go give you reference letter where you go take submit, because now your company go write say this work experience where this guy say he get, now true he get am. See duty, they go write your duty there. So if you know say you won't lie, say, and you know if I get work experience, you won't lie, say you won't get, no say one company need to give you reference letter. So it good make you start everything, make it pure, make you no lie put for anything where you want to do. Now, make I tell you small about the English language ability test. Like I first talk, now British Council and IDP, now them they conduct the exam. The exam they break them into pieces. Now 4 parts. Now they share them. The exam they get writing, they get reading, they get listening, and they get speaking. These 4 parts where they divide this thing, the reason why they write this exam is say they go make, they want try and make sure say if you speak English, Oyibo man go hear them and understand them. And if Oyibo man speak English, you go understand them. And make them they write them, not be saying now for anything. And the English, the IELTS, they get 2 types. They get academic and general. For the sake of this Canada matter, now general you go write. And also, if you sabi French, it go still give you advantage, because Canada na part of Canada na French they speak, some na English. So if you know say you get French background, the rule be say either you write English test or you write French. But if you get ability for the 2, you go get more points. So if you know say you sabi French, make you the plan how to write the exam, because it go favor you. Now make we continue. I want to remind you, say this as IELTS exam, if you write the exam, you pass them. 2 years, now they valid. After 2 years, the exam will expire. You will write another one. It get reason why I talk them. Later, I go tell you. Now, make we go to education. For this education, no, I talk say you go either go, you go don't graduate from College of Education or Polytechnic or University. Okay? Now, the other part of this education be say, if you go university get BSc, it good. But mark, they give mark for people where go where get 2 certification. For instance, if you don't do diploma for your school, maybe for university for 2 years, you can't go do BSc again. For Canada, for this traveling purpose, they go assume say you get 2 degree, you go get more points. If you do OND and BSc, you go get more points. What it mean be say, if you dey claim point for this education, 2 degree education, they talk say one of your degree must be up to 3 years before you go claim 2 degree. Say because you get more point for 2 degree. And again, if na masters you get, your point go high. So the higher your master, your education level, the more your point go be. E get one other part when I like discuss, when I like talk about. That part na proof of fund. For this matter, it no be say na matter where they do where na try your luck or all those kind of things. No, this one you go get proof of fund. That proof of fund na be money where you go need to get for your account before you go apply. Because for the Canada program, for you to settle down for inside Canada, you need money. Government no go just dash you money as you come inside Canada. From our research, that's so it be. You go need money where you go take settle yourself, pay house rent and other things. The only thing where they guarantee be say job is Sarah. Anyhow it be, you must see something to do. And you go become permanent resident. Nobody they harass you. And after 3 years, the government of Canada will give you you and your family international passport. Now be Canadian international passport, you don't become citizen. Be that. At that point, you get the right to vote and be voted for. You don't become citizen. Be that. So because of that now, you need to settle down where you need money to settle down. So now the proof of fund where you need to provide, my brother and my sister, It depends, because some people go ask, say, how much I need. It depends on your family size. If your family size, Mona know baby they scratch me. Now make me the torture. The proof of fund depends on your family size. If not only one you be, now say you never married, you need to provide $12,669 Canadian dollars. You go there your account. If you don't marry and never get pikin, you go need to keep $15,772 Canadian dollars. Now you go there your account or your wife account. If you don't get one pikin, now so na family na 3, you go provide $19,390 Canadian dollars. It can't grow like that to, if you get up to, for na family reach 7, you go keep $33,528 Canadian dollars. You convert them to your current country currency. You go know what it be. Now it go be inside your account. Then as your additional children, God they bless you. Your children, the family they grow. You they born more children. They add $3,414 Canadian dollar for inside the matter for your account. And this money, government of Canada come they talk say it no good make you borrow them. Because if you borrow the money in a settlement form be that. If you borrow, you can't come. The person will get and collect them. Life, they very easy for you here. For inside Canada as we can't do the research. So, my brother, that's so it be. Then some people come they talk, say, they get other things. Some people they ask, they get share certificate. They get house, they get land. They no feel right and put the paper, say they get all this thing. Government of Canada can't say no. They no go accept that one. The thing they accept now cash or something where you go quickly convert to cash, like treasury bill, fixed deposit certificate. You feel submit all those ones. Even if you don't work for a long time and your pension money don't big, government of Canada go accept 25% of that your pension as your proof of fund. So you go add them, put. Now so the matter be. And make you no forget, say, that proof of form, you go bank go give you statement of account. For inside that letter headed, come write when you open the account, how much they inside the account, who be signatory to the account. You go bring they go print and give you. Now waiting, you go submit when time don't reach to submit the matter. Now, make I now give you now the step by step. Because as I dey talk this thing now, some people they talk say, which time I want to start? How I want to start? Now it be this now. The first thing you need to do now say you go first of all do what they call ECA, Educational Credential Assessment. The reason why you go first do this one, because some people talk say it better me you write the exam first. The reason why you go first do this one be say this one it dey take time. If it take you like 4 months, if it take you like 6 months before you go do them. But if you go write the exam before you do this one, you keep the exam. Remember the exam, the result they expire after 2 years. So if you do them, because they do this one, it will take you up to 6 months. Your exam, it don't expire be that. So it better make you start with this ECA. ECA now be credential assessment. You get many agencies where government of Canada don't tell make they do this thing. One of them now West now be World Education Service. We see get another one, International Credential Evaluation Service, ICES. Then International Qualification Assessment Service, ACAS. Then International Credential Assessment Service of Canada. That one ISAS. Then if you know say for this one you go choose one. You just choose one where you know say now he go help you for the way you go use. Not be saying all of them you go use one, you go choose just one. Some of them they need your WAEC. They go still do your WAEC. Why some no they do them. Now if na pharmacy you be or you be doctor, na medical doctor, not be say na native doctor, no go native doctor, no concern for this matter. Now Medical Council of Canada and Pharmaceutical Examination Board of Canada, they go follow for people who go check your credentials. Now, how did they take do them? Number one, you go choose one of these agency where they do this no vessel na baby they scratch me. Now so it be. I know say that's one kind of thing called they do them. No verse. Now so it be now. How do they do this evaluation? Be say as it be, you go choose one of these bodies. You go their site, create your profile there. Just open your account there for there. When you don't do they go come tell you say make you go to your school go collect your transcript. Your school go send the transcript to them. Now them and your school go dey communicate. When they don't finish the evaluation, they go come send you the report. You understand? So make I start them again now. Point one be say first you go make up your mind. You come when you make up your mind, you and your family, then you go do international passport. Point two, conduct ECA, no be credential evaluation. Point three now, when you don't apply for the ECA, as they do and begin read for IELTS exam. So before the ECA report come outside, read well for the exam. Then number 4, once the ECA report come outside, then go register for the IELTS. Then write it. Once you write them, God help you, say you pass. You just quick go create submit your profile. The reason why you need this ECA report and your IELTS result for the profile creation be say you get where you go put the result where you get for IELTS, and your ECA report you get where you go put the ECA report number for your profile. Now it make us say these two things that they're very important. Now I want to tell you say you get which one I go take note about. For this matter, this Canada matter, because we dey hear a lot of issues where they dey. People they call us, they ask us different things. See, once you create your profile, you don't start your journey to Canada. Now, how the profile they work? This Canada program, not be try your luck like a visa lottery when America first they do that year. This one, na correct point system. Wetin e mean be say e get some things as you dey create the profile, you will put your age, they go give you point for there. And this thing, the younger you are, the better. So if you be 28, you go get more point for age than person wey be 40. If your IELTS you score good result, your score high well, you go get more point for express entry profile more than person wey no score well. And for the IELTS result, the total score na 9. We don't know how they mark am, but na 9. The lowest you must score for each of those breaking down where they break to 4 parts na 6. So if you score writing 9, you score reading 9, you can't score speaking 9, you can't do listening 5.5. Now you say you fail all of them. So the higher your IELTS result, the more your points. Your work experience. The higher your work experience, the better. Now, for those of you who don't marry, if you will be primary applicant write the IELTS, your wife also write the IELTS. This because say you be primary applicant, your wife still write and pass, so you will get point from say your wife write the exam pass. If you be primary applicant, you evaluate your credential, can't still evaluate your wife own, my brother, you will get point because say you evaluate your wife own. But if you don't hold well, your age don't reach like 38, 35, 38 and they go, and only BSc you get, your point feel no high well. Now, provincial nomination, now you go use come. Hope no loss for you. But for our next video, we go talk more about the provincial nomination. I hope say this news now when I talk, it will help somebody. Try help us share this news. Share this information to your friends. Some people don't make up their mind say, I go use agent. No problem. If you want to use agent, you will use agent. But I want to let you know, say, using agent, add point to your score. So, if you follow what I talk now, you go Google, go read up other things. My brother and my sister, you go still come here. You go still come for this Canada where we for do this research. Now, so the matter be. Wanna follow us for Instagram. Subscribe to this our channel so that you go to get our news as they come. This baby they scratch me. I don't know what they do. So my brothers and my sisters, now so it be. Make una share the news because if everybody come, if all of una say una want call Canada, if una carry load, say oh make una go Canada. If una reach there, the sky is wide. 2 birds no go clash. So you no get what you go lose when you help your neighbor. Make we do this thing so that people no go they waste money. They give froster where they find how you want to do people. Money hard. Make we help each other achieve this height. I go see come back with more details on how to create express entry profile and that provincial nomination. We go talk in details. I go come back next week to tell una about them. But I beg, make una stay safe, stay well. Before we come out, we could go Elders Dictionary. Now, for afternoon, now they look for missing black goat. Because if night fall, you no go fit see them. And even if you see them, you no go fit identify whether na your own. If you're smart, you go know the meaning of this adage. Now people, na so our news reach. Na me, Elder 101. And na Elders Corner before they reach on our ear. And now we're done.
Elders Corner.